Good morning to Goddos and to Goodies. Today is Monday, October 26th, and this is your lesson video. What I also want to cover is the week at a glance, the WAG, just to let you know what we're doing today is reminiscent of what y'all did Thursday, Friday, and then the continuation for the rest of this week to get to your final product. So let's take a look at the WAG, the week at a glance. Hopefully you're utilizing this document just to get an idea of what we're doing for the week so that you know what the tasks are, whether it's a lengthy assignment, just a reading, a work day, whatever the case is, or an exam or due dates. So what you did Thursday and Friday is the same process that you're going to continue with the rest of your pieces, because you have to get the piece, whether it's something that you have written or something that you have gotten or went out and found, maybe someone else's article, maybe an infographic. If you want to know more about infographics, come to the Zoom meeting. I'll talk you through it, walk you through it, help you find one. So you're going to get one of those pieces. Then you're going to have to do that analysis. Remember, there's two paragraphs that we saw with the Winstead example, where one, you are explaining how it connects to the thematic topic or thematic statement that you're using for your portfolio. And then another one is a discussion of why you chose that piece, if it was an outside piece, or if it's your piece, the creative process behind it. What were you thinking? How did you build it? Why did you write it that way? So you did on Thursday was collect the piece and show me, hey, this is my first piece. Friday, you did the two paragraphs. So what you're doing today is the same process, just together. You're showing your second piece, and then you're going to do your two paragraphs for it. Tomorrow, you're going to do the same for your third piece, and then your two paragraphs for it. And then Wednesday will be your fourth piece, your final piece, and then your two paragraphs for it. So hopefully by Wednesday, if we've been keeping up, you will have all four pieces done. And what I'm going to do is that I'm going to open these assignments, publish them, so that if you want to work ahead, you can. Just remember, every day do the attendance check, because that counts as attendance. Especially if I don't see you in the Zoom call, that's just my backup, just in case I forget to mark you down, because it does happen. My apologies. We get carried away with the conversation. Uh, so please, without avail, do the attendance checks every day, because that guarantees that I mark you present for the day. Okay, so today, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, you are documenting, bringing together your next three pieces, your final three pieces of your portfolio, and writing the body paragraphs. Thursday is time for you to get caught up if you haven't quite finished yet, to do what you need to do. And then also the jump in conference with me to show me what you have. And if you want me to clarify any instructions, you want me to look over what you have written, if you want to, whatever you need, you come into the Zoom call. And then you could do the Zoom calls Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. There's nothing stopping you from that. And then on Friday is the final document where we saw the hyperlinks, and I'll walk you through that. I'll help you do that. But I'll go ahead and open that document as well. So if some of y'all want to get a head start on it, building it together, learning how, if you know how to color the page, insert pictures, we can definitely go ahead and do that. All right, so I'm going to open up all the documents for the week, so that if you want to jump ahead, bounce around, you're more than welcome to, but make sure every day do the attendance check. All right. So today, what you're working with is, of course, your attendance check, and then your portfolio for piece two. Just like what we did to Thursday, Friday for piece one, you're going to give me the title of the piece, again, whether it's something you have written or something that you found outside by another writer. Put the writer's name, whether it's your name or somebody else's name. The genre, is it a script from a play? Is it a short story? Is it an excerpt from a novel? Is it a poem? Is it an infographic? Let me know if it's a published piece or original piece. And then copy and paste the text here, whether it's that script, whether it's that excerpt, whether it's that article, that infographic. And then, of course, build your two paragraphs, your discussion of how this piece addresses the topic you have chosen or the thematic statement you are focusing on. And then another paragraph that as a discussion of why you chose that piece, if it's an outside piece, or your process in writing it, what you're thinking about, how did you make it this way, why did you make it this way, if it's one of your original works. Okay, so today the focus is piece 2, because you should have done piece 1 Thursday, Friday, and you're showing me the piece and you're doing the 2 paragraphs that go along with it. Okay, and you'll do the same process tomorrow for piece 3, and the same process on Wednesday for piece 4, and then using time to put it together in that final document that we saw with Miss Winstead for Friday. All right, so I'm on the Zoom call. I will be available until 7th period today. So if you have any questions, you want me to go over anything, you want to verify that what you're doing is correct, jump on in and I'll work with you. All right, love y'all. Have a good day and make good choices. Bye, guys.